How to fix speaker not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is basically just go to the settings of your device over here. As you tap on the settings, scroll down to additional settings. After that, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. So here you can see four options: general, vision, hearing and physical. Now just tap on hearing and here you can see the audio balance. Now you can swipe it and drag it according to your preferences. You can keep it wherever you want. You can keep it in the middle as well. After that, go back and try to make sure that you have a proper sound and notification and your volume. So just make sure that you have adjusted your volume according to your preferences. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.